Camera, action.
Hello everybody, my name is Elijah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry healthy smoothie. Okay, first ingredient. This cup and use your hands to put all the bananas into the cup. Then put strawberries. And blueberries. And then add manuka honey. Whoa.
That's enough, okay?
I really want to taste the honey.
Okay, add it after, okay?
I'm trying to clean the. Then I scoop for myself.
Yeah, but you, okay. Are you a Winnie the Pooh bear who loves honey? Okay, no double dipping. Isn't that gonna go on YouTube, Elijah? This part gonna go on YouTube.
Huh?
This part's gonna go on YouTube.
Okay. The next step. Put in the yogurt.
Elijah, can you focus on doing your job?
Put all the yogurt.
No, no double dipping.
Put all orange juice. Mini orange juice.
It's right in front of you, sweetie.
Then the next step. Put orange juice. And next step, get an adult to help you to mix it.
Oh, it's over here. Okay, then you say, I will get mommy's help.
You can get a mother, you can get a mommy or daddy for your help to do this. But if you don't have a mixer, it's okay. You can just put. Then you can just take it.
Okay, can you film mommy doing that, please? Help, mama help. Okay.